Today on Draw TV, I'm drawing the original Captain Marvel. So grab your paper and pencil. It's time for Draw TV. Shazam!
And I think I'm going to put this one up for sale, I think. I'm not going to do anything else to it, just going to leave it as is. And I'll have more information about that later on. You can look at VanceKepleyArt.com. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube, Daily Motion. I'm everywhere. But keep checking back with me. And let me know how things are going and what you think. And talk to you soon. Goodbye.
Vance Kepley is a self-taught artist who has worked in various mediums, including drawing, painting, and graphic design for over 20 years. He now has his designs here on teepublic, old school, unique, stylish. He is also available to help you with your original teepublic designs. Make sure you visit Vance Kepley Art 1972 at teepublic.com. You'll be glad you did.
Today is Tuesday.
The water is wet.
Thank you.